Master the digital world, build, code, and create your way to success. Welcome to a journey where your creativity meets endless possibilities. Unleash your potential with Build, Code, Create. In today's digital era, mastering tech skills isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity. We're here to bridge that gap. From web development to app creation, our tailored courses are designed to empower you. Ignite your passion for innovation. With expert mentors and a vibrant community, you're never alone. Every challenge becomes an opportunity to grow and excel. Imagine bringing your ideas to life with just a few clicks. That's the power we offer at your fingertips. Success in the digital world is no longer just a dream. With Build, Code, Create, it's your new reality. Join us now. Transform your curiosity into creation and watch as the digital world opens its doors.